Hey, so today I'm going to use Microsoft Excel to teach you how to do 4 things in spreadsheets. I'll teach you how to use formulas, functions, the fill handle, and how to make a graph. So first off is how to use formulas. So I've already made a little box thing here and I'll teach you how to use formulas to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So starting off with adding, you usually always start off with an equal sign because that tells the computer that you're going to do math. Then you've got to type in the box coordinates. So for 20, it's M8. So if I type in M8, it'll highlight that box so you know what you're doing. And so since we're adding, I'm going to add the plus sign and then get the coordinate for this box, which is M9, and then just press enter, and yeah, there it is. Next we'll do subtraction. So once again, put the equal sign and then the box number, so that's N8, and then the minus sign, and then N9, and then press enter, and there it is. Next is multiply. So once again, you do the equal sign, then 08, and the multiplication sign is on the 8. So you press shift 8 and then you get that little star, and that's what does multiplication on this. Okay, then I'll press 09 and enter, and there it is. Lastly, division, the equal sign, P8, and then that slash thing, and then P9 and enter, and there it is. Okay, so that's all the basic formulas for adding, subtracting, multiplication, and division. So we're going to go on to functions now. I'm going to go to this column over here, column F, gross pay, and I'm going to click in this box. So once again, you put the equal sign, but this time we're going to use a function. So I'm going to use the sum function to add all of this. So you just click sum. There it is. And then you've got to put brackets so it knows to find the sum of all of this. And then I'll just click on this, drag down all the way to this, and then close the bracket so it actually does it. And I'll press enter, and there it is. Okay, so I can basically show you how to use the fill handle since we've already got this. All you do is go to this little box in the bottom corner of this box and click it, and you'll see a plus sign, and then drag it all the way to where you want to use the same. Okay, 1 second. Let's try that again. Yeah, okay, there. And if you let go, it'll find the sum for all of this. That you only use the fill handle if you want to find the same thing, and then you just drag it all. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use one more function, and that's the average function. So do the same thing, put the equal sign, and then AVG, and then put the brackets and click on this box, drag down to the end and close the bracket. Click yes for this, and there, that's the average of this. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to show you how to make a graph, which is pretty simple if you're making a simple graph. So just go to the first box, like, of what you want. I'm going to go all the way to gross pay and down. And then go to insert. Pick the type of graph you want. I'm just going to stick with column now because it's simple. Click it and it should look like that. Right now this is all messed up looking because it's all together, so just drag it to fit it. And there. This is what the graph would look like if you choose to do column. Okay, so if you want to keep the graph but move it somewhere else, just right click on it, go to move chart, and then click new sheet. Press OK. And yeah, it's at the bottom. Just click over here and it's over there. Alright, so that's basically it for spreadsheets. So I'm just going to end this now, test things out and have fun with it.